Welcome back to another Dynodaze video. That is one JDM EP3. Now it's got some modifications. Specifically, we fitted an induction kit this morning. It's on an ECU exchange already. So we're going to dial in, see where we're at. Let's get cracking. There's an X brace in the back of this.
There is.
Yeah, what does that do?
Bit of stiffness. Still do with that.
I think I need an X brace.
Yeah, so JDM EP3, lovely car, in for ECU exchange and map. So we've sent the ECU, obviously had that done because we'd like to keep the JDM ECUs with the JDM cars. Obviously these are wideband, they're not narrowband, so they are different to the European versions. So it takes a little bit longer, so we've sort of generally say we want the car Saturday to Saturday with these, don't we?
It's had a few other mods since it's been here. It's got a Dynodaze induction kit on it.
Yeah, we did a Dynodaze induction kit. He had a cheap AEM kit on there, small bore. So we've done a Dynodaze 3.5-inch induction kit. He's got a solid fab manifold and exhaust, 3-inch exhaust, I believe.
Beautiful bit of kit.
Lovely bit of kit, like, you know, real good diameter. Don't sound raspy, real nice sound to the exhaust, and some good girth on it. That could be the code word for today, girth.
Code word, girth.
Yeah, still on stock, although it's obviously not rated Inlet Manifold on these, obviously compared to the normal ones, but we finished on
236.
Yeah, 236, which I think is really good. That seems to be about the run of the mill that we've been making on these JDM EP3s with decent exhaust and induction kit and like no other mods. That's exactly bang on. So
and an accurate dyno.
Oh, an accurate dyno. Oh dear, you can't say things like that.
Said it.
You'll upset some people saying that.
We stick to what we know best, which is our dyno, and we use it to tune stuff on, so we're happy with that.
Well, like we always say, numbers is irrelevant really, in my opinion. What you're proving is gains. So you do the car when it came in, although we didn't in this instance. We sent the ECU straight off. But normally you would run it standard and then you run it afterwards, and that's what someone's paying for, ain't it?
Yeah,
regardless
absolutely.
of the numbers.
And obviously the proof is in the pudding when they drive it.
Yeah, it is. Should we have a look at that graph?
Have we got anything else to talk about?
I don't think so.
We've got a supercharged FN2 coming up.
We have. Yeah, to be fair, that's in closing stages.
Will that make 2 videos?
We will make 2 videos out of that because I believe it's going to Uncle Keith's paint shop straight after.
It's come in as an NA car that's had a cage put in it, and it's not been finished, shall we say?
Yeah.
We'll
leave it at that.
Let's leave it at that. So we're going to finish the car, supercharge the car. That'll be video number 1.
Yeah.
And then it's going into Uncle Keith's paint shop to have some loveliness completed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll talk about colour and stuff like
yeah,
that.
there's 2 videos. You'll see them. But yes, let's look at the graph.
Let's have a look at the graph.
There we go. So as Richard explained, the ECU got sent away. So we've just got a final run and we're really happy with that, as you can see. And it's made 236 brake horsepower. It's made just shy of 200 at the wheels, which is always a plus point. It's got a lovely Dynodaze induction kit making some power, and hopefully we'll see this car again for maybe some more mods. But aren't they lovely? As Richard said, code word girth. I hope today is the day that you decide to subscribe to the channel. Could barely get my words out there with excitement, but we shall see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Will indeed.
We will indeed.
And I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
Hey, it's your boy Danny at Dynodaze. Just to let you know, every last Saturday of the month is a Honda meet at Dynodaze. So that's every last Saturday, 9 AM till 12 noon. We've got a rolling road here if you need it. But otherwise, just come down in your Honda, park up, pop your hood, chat to other like-minded enthusiasts. We love it. It's chilled out. So come and join us. Last Saturday of every month, Honda meet. Yeah.